Okay, chat. This here's my exhaust that I painted. So of course, we unfastened it, took it off, and here I'm just showing the primer I use. Now listen, can primer works very well. I use it in the industry when I painted cars in the industry at dealerships. The 3M guys would come past. They had a TranStar, the 3M TranStar, that 3M high build primer, and the representatives themselves told us it was good stuff that you could spray even on Bondo and shoot right over top. So can primer works very well. Don't believe the BS. Can primer works well. So as you can see, we got the can primer on here. And now I have the anodized purple, shot that on out of a can. And this is what it looks like when I finally put it back on the bike. Doesn't look bad. It looks a lot better, in my opinion anyway, in the shade, lower lights. I think I have that too. I have it. Yeah, see here it looks really nice here. You see how it's darker. Makes the color a little bit more rich. It's more stealthy. But that's it, chat. Just a little small one. I'll catch y'all later.